Hey y'all, so we are back at it again, making another baby cake. My baby Jaelón is about to turn 7, y'all. He's turning 7, and I hope y'all can. I got my ring light tripod going on, so by my back pro. But no, seriously, my baby's birthday is tomorrow, and you know I gotta hook him up with cakes. Alright, so my baby wanted Monkey D. Luffy. I'm not sure what picture I'm gonna go with. Got this one. This one. I don't know. It's gonna be vanilla, yellow, and chocolate cake. I'm doing a semi-home bake, so something quick. I just got off work not too long ago, so we're gonna hook it up. And his birthday tomorrow, so I'm gonna be up kind of late. We got the Pillsbury funfetti cake, s'mores flavor. I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it is in vanilla. I might turn this red or like another color. I'm not too sure just yet. And then I have black gizzard and all the rest of the goodies. So we got that good purified water. I don't use tap water. I mean, it's good if you got a filter on it, but I ain't trying to have all that extra stuff in my food. But we got the good tap water on deck. Alright, y'all. So now I'm about to go on and spray these pans and put the cake mix in. I decided to go around because I want to do 4 layers of the chocolate vanilla. My last baby cake I did 2 layers and it was like a rectangle shape. Still came out nice, but you know, I try to switch it up and make sure they, you know, have their own unique cakes.
Hey guys, my birthday's tomorrow.
It is. Alright y'all, so these gonna go into the oven for about like 30 minutes and then we're gonna check back in on them. I'm gonna go get freshened up and then come back to y'all. Hey y'all, back. I'm about to frost this cake. Don't mind me. About to frost this cake. So I'm trying. I think because of the fine print and the frosting and stuff that I have, I'm not getting an outline how I should for this Monkey D. Luffy cake, but I'm gonna improvise and hopefully my baby loves it. Alright, y'all, so the cake did not come out exactly how I was planning it to be, and I know exactly what went wrong. I didn't have enough of the ingredients and stuff that I needed to decorate, but it is Monkey D. Luffy inspired, picking up a little bit. I definitely could do better, but this is the outcome. What you think?